I have a socket like this, so I want to use it in a drill. So I insert it like this. Then this side, I put a nut, and then the screw. And now it's ready to be used in the drill. And if I have a bigger socket, then I need to use the washer on both sides. So this side, washer, and then this goes inside here. And then that side, also washer, and put the screw. Now I can insert it in the drill. Now this one here, I'm going to tighten it. Okay, very important to tighten it. And now I have this screw, so it's a little loose, so I can tighten it like this. See? And if I want to unscrew it, see? To screw it up, put it here. That's it. Suppose you are in a room where there are no lights, but there is an outlet on the wall, and you want to get lights quickly. So in Walmart, there is a tool like this. See this one here? It's a plastic thing. It plugs into the wall, and this side you can screw a bulb. So I can screw a bulb here, and then this one here I can take to the outlet and plug it in. See how you get light, instant light. And if you want more light, then what you do is that in Walmart they also sell this kind of thing, where this one is like a light bulb, is screws into the device, and on this side you put the bulb, and then this side there is outlet. You got a 1, 2, so you can buy like this, and you can put 1, 2, 3 bulbs in one device. So I plug this into this. See this one, I plug it in, and then this one I can plug it in here, and then I can put a bulb here. See, I can put a bulb here, and I can put a bulb here. And if I want, on this side, I can also attach this device here. See this device here? I can buy another one and insert into this and put another bulb. So I can have 1, 2, 3 bulbs. And I can buy another device which plugs into this, and have another three bulbs. So I can have 6 bulbs, and I can keep on extending like this. Like for example, say I can, this one here now, see you have 2 bulbs, and easily you can put this kind of device at the bottom and get more bulbs there. And they also give you so this is how you get instant light in any room which has outlet. Okay. Now the next question is, how how do you test that an outlet has power? Okay, one way is you buy a thing like this, insert a bulb, okay, and insert into this. See, if it is light, that means you have power there. Another way to test that an outlet has power is to buy a device like this. See, this one plugs into the outlet, and there is a small bulb here, very small power bulb, and it also has an on-off switch. So you just keep this in your toolbox, and if you want to test an outlet, you just insert it here. See, this has light. That means it has power. And but make sure that your switch is on. Okay. So this is a very good tool. You should have this in your toolbox, and you can also make a tool like this. As I told you, buy this from Walmart, and then insert a small LED bulb here and keep it in your toolbox. This is also very handy. Okay. Now the next question is, how do I know how much power my device is using? Like suppose you bought an air conditioner, portable air conditioner. You want to know how much power it's taking, or any device for that matter. And there is a tool here called kilowatt. Actually, it's like it tells you kilowatt, how much kilowatt your device is using, but they call it kilowatt to make it an interesting name. But it's a very good device. You can buy it at Amazon or any electric store, and I will show you how this works. This has buttons. There is a button for amps. See, it tells you, if you just press this, it will tell you how many amps it's taking. Watt, it tells you how much watt it's taking, and it also tells you the voltage. You press this, it tells you voltage, like whether it's 110 volts or 220 volts. And hertz is the frequency of the power supply. Now, this one, it says it takes 120 volts, 50, 60 hertz. This device is only meant for 120 volts, so don't try to plug it into a 220 volt supply. And maximum current it will take is 15 amps. So most of our heaters or even central AC, they take less than 15 amps. So this should be okay. Maximum power 1800 watts. So don't insert a device which is taking more than 15 amps or more than 1800 watts into this device. So this is a very good device. I will show you. Now I have this fan here. We all know that the fans take very little power. That's why people who use fans more instead of central AC, they pay less in electric bill. So I basically connect this fan into this device, okay, and then this device you connect to the outlet, and then you press watts. It's telling you it's taking 21 watts. See how it's taking 21 watts, and if I put on amps, it's taking 0.18 amps, okay, 0.18 amps, okay, and if you press on voltage, it tells you 121 volts, okay. So this is a very good device. Now, if I want to show you, this is a water heater. See, this is a water heater. Heaters take lots of power, okay. I want to see how much power it's taking. So I plug this electric kettle into this device here, and this one goes into this, okay. Of course, it's not on, and then I press the watt. See, right now it's taking 0 watts, it's not on. Now I turn it on. See, it's going, it's taking 1395 watts, okay. If I want to see the amps, it's taking 11.99 amps, okay, and voltage 115. Because when it takes lots of power, the voltage also drops. So this is how you find out how much a device is consuming, how much power a device is consuming. Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to detect if your toilet is leaking water. because if the toilet is leaking water, slowly it's going to cost you lots of money in the water bill. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to lift the cover, and then in the tank I'm going to pour this Kool-Aid, dark color. This whole thing I'm going to just pour it in this. Now this becomes dark. The water here becomes dark, and then we see here there is no color here. If there was leak, you will see color water coming here. So this is no color. That means there is no leak. Okay. Now if you flush it, the colored water. See how the colored water comes. And, so this is how you detect leak in the toilet. Another quick way of detecting leak is to look at the bowl. And if you see any bubbles in the bowl, if you see any bubbles on the side of the water, that means there is leak, because the bubble means the water is leaking slowly from the tank into the bowl. This is a very good way. And you can also pour any dark color drink or juice into the tank and see if the dark colored juice or drink comes into the bowl. Here is an idea to make a very nice shelf. See, I bought this concrete blocks. They are 7.5 inch wide, 7.5 inch long, and the height is 15 inch. And then I bought this one here, this one and this one. I put it on the floor, and then I put on top of it a wooden plank. It's 2 feet by 4 feet. See this wooden plank? It's 2 feet by 4 feet. And then on that plank I put another brick. See the concrete brick, this one. Make sure you put it on the same place where the bottom brick is. I'm going to put another 2 feet by 4 feet piece, wooden piece, and then put another brick, another set of bricks. Then put another one. And the last one here, I'm just using a door, a closet door that I found on the street. Somebody had discarded it, so that makes a nice nice support. And then on top of it I'm putting all my wooden pieces, and this becomes a nice shelf, and it's pretty cheap. And the best part is that if I want to get rid of it, it's very easy. You just remove it. There is no screws, no attachments, no tools required. All you need to do is buy these bricks, which is 7.5 inch by 7.5 inch by 15 inch from Home Depot, and buy these wooden planks 2 feet by 4 feet from Home Depot or Lowe's, and you can make the shelf. I can make another shelf the same kind on the right here. This is space here, and make it long. And you can see on this side I have made the same kind of shelf. I have made it, and on top of it I have put my ladder. See, I have 1, 2, 3. Here I have three bricks on each level, and that's how you make a very nice shelf, homemade shelf. I want to hang some lots of shirts here, so I use a chain and I put it here like this, and I hang here. Now in this chain I can hang here. I can hang here, and so on. The same thing I can do in a closet. Hello. I want to paint something here. So this can here, there is no space for this can. It's hard to paint it holding the can. So get a hook like this and put it in the hole here, and then the paint can go here. Or if you don't have it, then you can also use a tie like this, plastic tie that you can buy at Home Depot. You attach it like this here, and then in the can you you just tie it and then use the paint. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. Also, like this video and spread the word by sharing this video with your friends. You can click on the share button below and then share this video with your friends via WhatsApp, via email, via Instagram, via LinkedIn, or by sending email to your friends. Thank you.